Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get classic faces in Roblox. So let's get started. If you want to use classic style faces on your Roblox avatar, the process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. First, open the Roblox app and go to the avatar section. Once you're there, tap on Customize at the top of the screen. After that, open the Body menu and select Head. Here you'll find the face that is currently equipped on your avatar. Choose the face that you would like to use. Next, return to your avatar preview and tap on the face icon. Look for the head shape settings. In this section, you'll see an option called Facial Animation. Turn this setting off. Once facial animation is disabled, your avatar will use the classic version of the face instead of the animated one. If the face you want doesn't have a classic option available, there is another method you can try. Go to the marketplace, then select Body and choose Heads. Use the search feature to look for a head or face that closely matches the classic style you're looking for. Many creator-made heads do not include facial animations, which can help you achieve a more classic Roblox appearance. Take some time to browse different options and test them on your avatar until you find the look that you like best. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.